Welcome to this practice to create your astral body, one of the vehicles you can use in order to travel beyond space and time. Come to a comfortable meditative posture, either seated or lying down. Settling your body, allowing your body to come to a place where it can rest. Roll your shoulders up and back and soften the shoulders away from your ears. If seated, press into your seat, lift your spine tall. If you're lying down, your back, your spine straight. When you're ready, softly close or lower your eyes. Start to tune inward to the body, just checking to make sure you're comfortable. Adjusting as you need. Trying to attain psychic rigidity of the body for astral travel, meaning your body is so relaxed and still that the ability of your psychic senses come to the foreground. Attune to the rhythm of your breath. Notice it expanding and contracting at your belly or your ribs. Invite in a slow, deep breath. Upon exhalation, either sighing it out or maybe out from your mouth. A couple of times, being mindful as you pay attention to the flow of breath moving in and the softening, settling happening as you exhale it out. And then let your breath go back to a natural rhythm. Create the intention, I am the creator of my experience. And as you repeat this intention mentally to yourself, know that as the creator, you can create whatever experience you like for yourself as you unlock your mind. I am the creator of my experience. Start to attune to your breath. Just noticing the general flow in and out of your whole body. Imagine your body is like a sponge, very porous, able to absorb. As you breathe in, you're absorbing light. Light all around you in the ether. And as you breathe in, it fills into all of those pores, those openings, like a sponge absorbing light. And as you exhale, that light settles into the cells. Using your imagination as you breathe in, every cell of your body like a sponge absorbing light. And as you exhale, that light settles. Continue to breathe in this way. Sensing light filling into these cells. The sensation of light absorb into your entire body. Pretty soon your body becomes so filled up with light, it starts to spill over out beyond your skin in the shape of a silhouette of your body. As you inhale, the light expands beyond your skin, out into the room. Exhaling, it goes back under your skin, under your body. This is your astral body expanding beyond your skin. Your astral body contracting underneath your skin, filled with your breath, your light. See if you can sense your astral body expanding, using your imagination and contracting. Use the power of your mind, the power of imagination, the power of your senses to create your astral body. You are a creator. Create your experience here. Fully aware of your breath, fully aware of this light body, your astral body. The next time your astral body goes underneath your skin, allow it to reside there. Set the intention. I am the creator of my experience. I create my astral body with my will. I travel easily in my astral body, directed by my will. Attuning back to your body, feeling fingers and toes, your legs in your seat, aware of your torso, your arms, your neck, and your head. Bring your hands to a prayer at the center of the heart, at the center of the lungs, an appreciation for your breath, the life force behind your astral body. Namaste.